Welcome back to GabT TV. And for today, meron tayong mainit na issue. Nakakalabas pa lang a few minutes ago. Natapos pa lang ang speech ni President Rodrigo Duterte. And yun nga, ang malaking balita na in-announce for today is there will be no class until magkaroon tayo ng vaccine. So, in short, no vaccine, no class. So, ang tanong, pabor ba ang karamihan sa mga Pilipino dito o hindi? Ako, personally, pabor ako. I'm really in favor na wag mo nang papasukin mga bata natin. By the way, kaya pala ako na headset. Kasi I'm waiting for a call. This past few days, alam natin na yung ibang mga kasamahan natin sa bahay or mga ibang empleyado ay bumalik na sa kanilang opisina. Although lahat ng mga tao yun ay may takot sa puso nila. Siyempre, sasabak na sila sa labas at hindi nila alam kung masatsambahan sila ng virus o hindi. So sila na matanda na natatakot. Ano pa yung mga bata? Diba? Alam natin para sa mga bata huwag din natin nilokohin ang sarili natin. Ang mga bata medyo matutuwa sa balitang yan dahil siyempre, mahaba-habang pahinga. Hindi pa naman nila naiintindihan yung essence ng education, total essence of education. So ngayon para sa kanila parang isang mahabang pahinga lang sa kanila to. Pero behind that, ang totoong purpose ng desisyon na yan is of course to keep our children safe. There's no other reason. Kaya nga sabi ni Presidente, sige, maglaro na lang, ganyan. As long na alam kong safe sila. So, yun. Napaka self-explanatory. Alam ko, may mga iba pa rin dyan. Of course, hindi naman mauubos yung mga tumataliwas sa gobyerno or sa presidente or alam mo yun, may masabi lang. Or may paninindigan din naman sila kahit na paano when it comes to that matter. Pero para sa akin, napaka-basic kasi napaka-obvious na dapat talaga na huwag na silang papasukin. Yung mga matanda nga dapat hindi na ayaw pumasok. Pero wala silang choice. Mga bata, ano ba naman yung isang taon na hindi sila pumasok? Always remember, thank you for calling. My name is Gabe. May I please have your name? Yeah, definitely. All right. Do you have any other questions? Anything else that I can help? You're welcome. Thank you for being part of it. I wish you had a great day, Sally, and stay safe. Bye-bye. So, yun. Nagtanggal mo na ang headset. Anyway, for the year 2020, for me, there's only one mission that we need for this year. There's only one thing that we need to actually do. And you know what? That is to survive. We all know that regardless, whatever your status is, if you're rich or you're poor, even if you're healthy or not, we are all vulnerable when it comes to that disease. So the government have given us a choice right now. Well, actually, it's not a choice. It's a decision for everyone that we have to comply, and there's no way for us to actually break it because it's directly coming from the government na yun nga, walang klase hanggat walang vaccine, which is, for me, that is very obvious naman na tama, diba? Siguro wala nang kukontra dun sa bagay na yan kasi nga, syempre, we don't know, pwedeng matsambahan yung mga anak natin, and yun, para sa mga anak natin, just make use of your time. Alright, so learn new stuff, watch films, watch anime, learn new musical instrument, things like that. There's a lot of things you can do actually right now. And kids these days, you guys, you are so blessed because there's internet and there's a lot of things you can do that we couldn't before. And so, yun. So, enjoy na lang ninyo ang mahabang bakasyon. Okay? If this no classes thing would happen and this will be synchronized amongst all the school in the Philippines, then there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing wrong with 1 year. Para sa akin, yung isang taon na hinto ang mga estudyante, napakalaking bagay, no? Para maiwasan na madali o matamaan ng mga bata. Let's be in favor kasi pinag-uusapan naman dito is health. Right? So, alam natin, education will always be important. Pero, ano ba mas importante? Edukasyon ang buhay. Paano yung iba ang gusto may online? So, pag may online class naman, I think online class, para sa akin, it would be beneficial para lang dun sa may mga kaya. Paano naman yung mga walang means, walang internet, walang ganyan. So it will be unfair. It would be para matapos yung usapan, let's just fix everything as one. Let's just put everything together as one. Na maging sync tayo. Sakripisyo ng ilang buwan ang mga bata, lahat ng bata stay at home lang. So yun, wala na muna labas-labas. And always guys, let's do our best to comply with this kind of advocacies na ginagawa ng government natin because for sure, this is just for our own good. Alright, so again, this is Gab and thank you very much for watching. Always remember to click subscribe and like, okay? And again, see you once again in Gab TV. Rock and roll.